Hello! Are you ready to read? This book is called Motorcycles. What does that mean? Motorcycles. What's this? You know, the table of contents. Contents. It means the big list. Each line means a different subject, and it has different page numbers like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, blah, 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 blah. There's many different motorcycles, many different kinds. You will see there's different kinds of motorcycles. This one is dirty. What's this motorcycle for? It doesn't drive on the road. It goes off-road and drives around in the mud. There can be mud spraying everywhere off the tires. He spins around, vroom, vroom, and then the driver hops off and is completely covered in mud. You see all of this? What is it? How does a motorcycle go? Does it drive like a car, where you have your feet on the pedal and you push the accelerator to go forward? Nope, it's different. A motorcycle uses the throttle to go forward. How do you stop? Like a car? Do you push the brake with your foot to stop? Nope, it's different. You don't pull the throttle. There's the brakes that you can pull next to the throttle that will help you slow down. This motorcycle, what kind is it? It's old. It looks very different. This isn't a motorcycle. It's very small and old. This motorcycle, what kind is it? It's fast. Fast just like a car. It can drive really fast. The rider has to hop on it and lean back and forth when it turns the corners. And it can swerve around. This motorcycle is what kind? It can travel far. Look, you see the yellow motorcycle? It has a box that you can open up and put your backpack in it and close it. What's that for? To travel far. This motorcycle, what kind is it? It's a fancy motorcycle. What did they do? They painted flames all along the side of the motorcycle. So now it's shiny and fancy. Wow, super cool. This motorcycle is what kind? This is a small little motorcycle. Big and powerful and fast? No, this is a small little scooter. Drive slow through town. It's called a scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. This motorcycle is what kind? A racing motorcycle. You can race a lot of them around a track. Vroom, vroom. But first, you must be safe. You must put on your helmet and buckle it and zip on a jacket. Why? Because when you're driving along, if there's an accident and you fall off, you don't want to scrape. No, you won't bleed. You'll have gloves. There will be no blood. You will be safe when you fall and slide across the ground. Whew. This motorcycle is what kind? It doesn't drive on the road. It's an off-road bike. Can drive on the hills. Super cool. It can drive up ramps. Wow. This motorcycle is what kind? Oh, it's really cool. The rider can get on it and do stunts and perform tricks and kick its feet up, or maybe they'll drive along and put their motorcycle's wheels in the air. It's very dangerous. They must be careful. The end.